Hello, my name is Andrew Weiss, Director of Technical Services for the Onondaga County Water Authority. Welcome to your water system. Behind me is the Otisco Lake Water Treatment Plant. This treatment plant treats water from Otisco Lake. That water goes through our intakes at the lake, underneath our dam, and travels about 5 miles through our transmission mains to arrive here at the treatment plant. The transmission mains feeding this facility date back to the early 1900s and are as new as 1960s, and there's a 20-inch, a 24-inch, and a 30-inch pipeline, all carrying raw water from the lake to this facility. This treatment plant is called a direct filtration plant. What that means is that as the water arrives here in the building, it receives a couple of treatment chemicals. The most important chemical is called coagulant. Coagulant is used to cause the particles in the water to stick together and form larger particles called floc. The other chemical we add here is actually carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide forms carbonic acid, which adjusts the pH of the water slightly to make it more treatable with our coagulant. That water flows through the contact basins at the front of the treatment plant, through our filters, which do most of the work as far as removing particles from the water, becomes clear and travels out to our clear wells, where the finished water we've made is stored and then delivered by gravity out to the system and to our customers. Before it leaves the property and leaves the clear wells, it receives chlorine, fluoride, and phosphate. These chemicals make the water safe to travel through our pipes and tanks to the customers and make it stable to limit corrosion on the materials that our water system is made of. This treatment plant is actually designed for 24 million gallons per day capacity. However, it's limited by our permit from the lake to a maximum of 20 million gallons per day. Normally, it feeds about half of our customers and is producing between 17 and 18 million gallons per day every day of the year. This treatment plant is very efficient and produces a very high quality of water. One of the marks of pride of this facility is that it's an AWWA Partnership for Safe Water member and has successfully achieved phase 3 of that partnership for well over 20 years. That means the water produced here at Otisco Lake treatment plant far exceeds the regulatory minimums for finished water quality. And the staff here, which is counting 10, keeping this plant maintained and operating every day, strive to achieve that standard consistently. This treatment plant also has residual handling facilities on site, which is when the water is backwashed through our filter to remove the particles that we filtered out. We maintain all of that material here on site, and we don't discharge anything to the creek behind us or to the natural environment. This treatment plant has been here since 1984, was renovated in 2008 to 2009, and has been a reliable operation for OCWA ever since its construction. We intend to invest in it in the years to come to maintain this source of water for all of our customers in the southern and western half of our service area. Thank you.